L'Ariel Memmott, while there, the Bolivian president, in his speeches, spoke of the United States always in a derogatory negative tone and proceeded to order the expulsion of USAID without consultation. It was Memmott's responsibility to oversee their departure. Memmott was considered a dove in U.S. Secret Services circles. Washington decided to make a tactical shift and replace all embassy personnel before Jefferson Brown arrived as interim business attaché. The business attaché is the highest-ranking official present in the country since President Evo Morales expelled Ambassador Philip Golberg in 2008 for engaging in subversive activity in conjunction with hardline opposition forces in the city of Santa Cruz. All indications point toward the replacement of the entire staff, giving greater weight to secret services and an increase in efforts to destabilize the Morales government. Within the framework of a regional counteroffensive, Memmott began his foreign service career in 1987 with a post in Bolivia. Memmott attended the University of Utah, earning a bachelor's degree in international political and economic relations. He completed graduate work at the University of Chicago in economics.